أعوذ بالله من الشيطان الرجيم بسم الله الرحمن الرحيم. Abdus Salam Science Fair, made by Maheen Ahmad, Scarborough South. Today I will be discussing about my topic, which is on matter. What is matter? Matter is a substance that has inertia and occupies physical space. According to modern physics, matter consists of various types of particles, each with mass and size. Matter cannot exist in several states, also called phases. The three most common states are known as solid, liquid, and gas. A single element or compound of matter might exist in more than one of the three states, depending on the temperature and pressure. Less familiar states of matter include plasma, foam, Bose-Einstein condensate. These states occur under special conditions. Different kinds of matter can combine to form substances that may not resemble any of the original ingredients. For example, hydrogen and oxygen combine to form water. Process of combination is called a chemical reaction. A chemical reaction involves interactions between the electrons of the atoms, but does not affect the nuclei of the atoms. In some situations, matter is converted into energy by atomic reaction, also known as nuclear reaction. This type of reaction is fundamentally different from the chemical reaction because it involves changes in the nuclei of atoms. Most common example of atomic reaction is the hydrogen fusion that occurs inside the sun. The immense pressure inside the sun and inside other stars forces atoms of hydrogen together to form atoms of helium. In this process, some of the mass is converted to energy. Three physical states of matter is solid, liquid, and gas. Now I will be describing the characteristics of these three states of matter. A solid form from liquid or gas because the energy of atoms decrease when the atoms take up a relevantly ordered three-dimensional structure. Solids exhibit certain characteristics that distinguish them from liquids and gases. All solids have the ability to resist forces applied parallel to a surface. Such properties depend on the properties of the atoms that form the solid. Some examples of a solid is wood, sand, steel, brick, rock, brass, and gold. The liquid state of matter is an intermediate phase between solid and gas. Liquid will flow and fill the lowest portion of a container, taking on the shape of a container but not changing in volume. The limited amount of space between particles means that liquids have only very limited compressibility. Examples of liquid are water, oil, and water vapor. Gas is a state of matter that has no fixed shape and no fixed volume. Gases have lower density than other states of matter, such as solid and liquids. The particles exert more forces on the interior volume of the container. This forces it is called pressure. Examples of gas is air. The air we breathe in is gas, nitrogen, oxygen, and carbon dioxide. Jazakallah for listening to my presentation on matter.